She's saying thanks for the well. They've been here since 1975. They've been drinking water from the river, from the stream there. Even after a heavy rainy storm, they would just come down here and they collect from the ponds around here. So she's so thankful that she's able to take safe water here. That's why she's saying in Darumba. She's saying she's run out of words and she's so thankful for the well.